Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome again back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making organic glowing body wash for flawless glowing skin. This body wash is very safe and natural. If you're suffering from sunburn, blackheads, acne, eczema and hyperpigmentation, then this video is for you. Please, if you're interested, keep watching. So to begin, of course, we'll be needing raw African black soap or Ghana soap made with locally harvested plants like roasted plantain skin, cocoa pods, shea butter, palm kernel or palm oil. These ingredients contain antioxidants and moisturizing properties that provide the soap with medicinal qualities for which it's known. So now I'll go ahead and cut the quantity I need, after which I'll cut it into smaller sizes. Added about 2 cups of water and melt using double boiler method. I added water because I'm making a body wash. If you don't want to make body wash, you can skip adding water and double boiling method. Just heat the black soap directly on heat and constantly stir it. African black soap is touted as a solution for breakout, hyperpigmentation, stretch marks, sunburn, pimples, and more. It is antibacterial, moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, and have several other healing properties. This body wash contains natural ingredients that will help to clear rashes, acne, or persistent skin blemishes and irritation. It is powerful because it can be used on all skin types. If you have dry or sensitive skin, you already know that scented soaps are off limits. Moving on to the next ingredient is Lewa bar soap. Lewa bar soap is richly formulated soap made from natural ingredients that cleanses and removes impurities from your skin, leaving it soft, supple, and silky smooth. It's suitable for all skin types. Lewa soap contains honey and turmeric that helps retain skin moisture and clears dark spots and gives your skin a tender, nourishing care. This soap cleanses and nourishes the skin. It's suitable for all skin types. It retains skin moisture for long, attractive, long-lasting fragrance. It's enriched with natural ingredients. One good benefit of this body wash is it helps to moisturize, soothe irritation, and promote overall skin health. It is an excellent way to keep your skin healthy and free from harsh chemicals found in many commercial products. So moving on to the next ingredients, I have red and brown soap. I don't know the name of this soap, but in Nigeria, especially eastern part, we call it temple soap. It is an antiseptic herbal soap. The soap maintains the ancient long traditional recipe and is enriched with even more oils, herbs, and botanicals, such that it also provides moisture to the skin. It has humectants that helps replace lost moisture and hydrate the skin while performing its most function of skin repair and deep cleansing. It soothes and treats acne, acne spots, razor bumps, rash, eczema, and most topical skin issues. This soap helps soothe and clear dark patches caused by sun exposure. So after grating all the soaps, I mix them together so as to melt using a double boiler method to melt them together. So if you have watched me from the beginning till now, guys, and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please baby, please love, consider hitting the red button below that says subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give your baby a thumbs up. If you have any question relating to this video, please let me know in the comment section. Let's chat it up, let's be friends in the comment section. So now I'll go ahead and melt my soap. So moving on to my next ingredients, I have cucumber. Did you know cucumber can do much more than lightening dark circles? It is packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that can cure a variety of skin woes. Cucumber has high water content that suits your skin and keeps it hydrated. It acts as an anti-inflammatory agent and helps in reducing the puffiness of your skin. Also, cucumber helps tuning oily skin. So after cutting my cucumber into small chunks, I'll go ahead and blend. So after melting my raw Ghana or African black soap for about an hour, this is how it looks. So I'll add my Lewa and red soap that I've melted also into it and mix everything so it will blend together. to my next ingredient, I have my glycerin oil, which I added about 1 tablespoon. I'll also add about 1 tablespoon of rose water, then my blended cucumber. I added everything because I blended it into a very fine and smooth paste. Then I'll continue mixing so everything will blend. After that, I'll go ahead and add my turmeric powder. You don't need to add much turmeric powder because it stains pretty much. One good benefit of this organic body wash is that the ingredients added to it cleanses your skin by removing dirt, oil, bacteria, skin infections, white patches, and even dead skin cells to give you an evenly toned skin. So guys, moving on to my last ingredient, I have Dettol. Adding Dettol to your organic body wash or body soap have so many benefits when it comes to organic soap. It clears wound. Bacteria are more likely to be infected if the wound comes into direct contact with the air. It protects against harmful virus. It helps clear acne and pimples. It removes skin pores, skin problems, eczema, and help absorb minerals into the skin. Please note, this body wash can't be used on babies below 2 years. Always use baby products on babies. So my powerful body wash is super duper ready for use, which I'll go ahead and store in a tight container for easy use. So now guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't, and like if you find it helpful. Share it to your family and friends so they can benefit from the idea. Also, leave a comment or any question in the comment section. See you all in my next video. Always stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.